yelled to you, so we gave her another one, Okay, that's enough, Abby. Wow.
She likes her food.
She likes her food. Don't mess with her about food. Miss Emily's like, I thought I was feeding her too much. I said, no, she's yelling at you for more food. Stop. No, not that. Yeah. She's the boss around here. We call her Princess because she's the boss.
How she's going to be when she's getting older.
Yeah.
She's going to be a girly girl?
Yes, girly girl. And yeah, she loves her dress. She like fluffs up her ruffles and like walks around in the walker.
That's why she was so excited she was having her own, girly girl.
Yes. She came to the right family. Yeah. In my house, she'd have to do karate. If she was my age.
Oh, she will.
She will? Okay.